birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mami ko wish. Wish. Pikit muna wish. Before go blow with the candle.
Bro! Good health lang naman ang gusto ko. Saka, harmony sa family. Ano ng money?
Siyempre, kailangan talaga yung essential na yun. Essential na yun hanggat buhay ano ni Ate Michelle. Essential na yung money hanggat nabubuhay. Hindi pwedeng mawala yun. Ayan. Happy birthday. Long life day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh yan, blow the candle.
Ikaw lang eh, wala na para sa mga
Malabas eh.
Hello. Ayun, happy birthday.
Halika na.